Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our step-by-step guide on maintaining your Conga 8290. Today, we'll focus on changing the brushes, filters, and pumps to keep your device running smoothly. Let's get started with the tools you'll need. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, ensure your Conga 8290 is unplugged and completely powered down. Safety is paramount. Begin by removing the base cover using the Phillips screwdriver. There are typically 4 screws holding it in place. Once you've removed the screws, gently lift the cover off to expose the internal components. Next, let's address the brushes. Locate the brush assembly, which is usually situated at the front of the device. Using your flathead screwdriver, carefully pry the old brushes out. Take a moment to clean the area with a soft cloth to remove any debris or dust that may have accumulated. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help without any hassle. Now insert the new brushes into the assembly. Ensure they are seated properly and secure them in place. Once that's done, we'll move on to the filters. The filters are crucial for maintaining optimal performance. Locate the filter compartment, which is often found near the water tank. Remove the old filter by pulling it out gently. Before installing the new filter, take a moment to clean the compartment. This will ensure that the new filter functions effectively. Insert the new filter, making sure it fits snugly. If you need assistance, remember we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can be sure your device is in good hands. Next, we'll focus on the pump. The pump is essential for water circulation. Locate the pump assembly, which is usually at the rear of the device. Using your pliers, disconnect the hoses attached to the pump. Be cautious, as some water may spill out. Once disconnected, remove the screws holding the pump in place and take it out. Before installing the new pump, clean the area thoroughly. This will prevent any blockages or issues in the future. Install the new pump by reversing the removal process. Secure it with screws and reconnect the hoses. Remember, if you prefer not to deal with this yourself, we offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Finally, reattach the base cover by aligning it properly and securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Once everything is back in place, plug in your Conga 8290 and power it on. Check to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Regular maintenance like this will prolong the life of your device and enhance its performance. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.